Alright, let me get this shit up real quick. Okay, we can start watching this, bro. I gotta start learning chat. Let me open up my chat. I'm about to just be studying a bunch of shit. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I have colors here. Like I don't have anything color wise. Like I don't have red or fucking blue. I don't know why. Don't ask me. I don't have colored fucking pencils or anything. I'm trying to sketch this shit out to make it more simple in my brain so I can like learn how to do this better. Cause I did this for like 1 week and I made like a little bit. I mean, I made like $200. It's not that good though. I mean, really making. I mean, you can make way more, chat. Trust me, bro. We gonna try to lock in though.
Wasted years of my 20s with thousands of hours of being confused and also thousands of dollars that I didn't need to waste had I have known the information and the foundation that I'm gonna share with you.
Bro, chat, this might sound like some goofy shit, but bro, people make thousands a day off this.
Start with the basics, then I'm gonna show you the websites and the tools that you're going to need to follow along with this process. I'm gonna talk about trading psychology, which is probably the most important thing that will either make or break your trading. A simple way to understand trading math that can be really confusing in the beginning, as well as a complete crash course of the most important things that I know about technical analysis. Then I'm going to show you how to build and test your own strategies. Then at the end,
chat, what's good?
Take everything that we've learned, we're going to apply them into.
Hold on, let me get a volume booster, bro. I need this shit hella loud.
By the time you make it through this entire video, you're going to have
God damn, okay, too loud, too loud.
To starting your trading career properly.
Alright.
Okay, so let's first start and set the foundation by understanding how trading works and how we should be at the market. Okay, there's a lot of technical elements that can be really confusing. If you learn bits and pieces of it, it can throw you off the rails.
Bro, I need a fucking pencil. Hold up, chat. I'll be right back, bro. Yo, I'm not using a Sharpie, big dog. Chat, I'll be right back, bro. Alright, chat, me back. I found a pen, bruh. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why the fuck we don't have, like, pencils. I don't have pencils, chat. Is that weird? Yo, I don't know, bro.
This is a very simple way to understand how the market works and how the mechanics of it work. So over here I have a chart open, but right now we're not going to worry about anything other than how and why the market is moving. Okay, so whenever we're looking at a chart, which in this case is this blue line, we're looking at increases and decreases. So all the chart is showing us is a visual representation of mass human psychology, meaning that there are buyers and there are sellers.
Alright, hold up, chat. Bro, this sounds like some school shit, bro. Alright, no, dead ass, bro. Let me lock in, bro. Hold up. Hold up. Alright, hold up, bro. I'm trying to be hella neat. Alright, y'all. No, it's not school, bro. I'm trying to get into this so I could get a fucking
This
Corvette.
is done with algorithms. It's done by physical trading. This is done in all sorts of different
I gotta
ways.
lock in,
It's not
bro.
as simple as people just clicking buy and sell, right? But the general premise is the market is adjusting to fill imbalances which are caused by supply and demand. So how this works is like this. Let's take right here, for example. In this part of the chart, when price is moving up, that means that there is demand from buyers and supply from sellers. If the demand outweighs the supply,
Hold up. Fuck. Bro, chat, I promise one day this shit's gonna work out, bro. I promise.
Up until there's another point where supply starts to outweigh the demand, and the market will correct until once again there's more demand than supply, and that will sort of bounce back and forth, which is going to produce something called volatility. Now, volatility is basically any time there are drastic big moves in the market. These are going to open up trading opportunities for us later. So simply put, as traders, our job is to find areas of the market where we can enter at a certain price, have the price increase to another price, then however many of these we bought times the increase is going to give us our profit. So if we bought 100 of these units at $200 and it increases to 205, that's $5 in profit per 100, which is going to give us $500 in profit. So let's take another layer deeper to start understanding where these intraday opportunities come from. So let's take a 1 year starting point as an example. Over the course of a year, this is the general stock market. We can see anywhere from 10, 15, 20, even 30% gains in an individual year. That means that if we were to buy 100...
What? I have Jinxie as my profile. What are you talking about? No, I don't. What the fuck are you talking about? I have Jinxie. What? Bro, that's my baby brother. Like, what?
$100 worth of SPX at this point, and price increases, we now have $130, and technically our total risk implication is if everything were to melt down and technically go to zero, we're technically risking $100. This is the concept of investing. Now you're only going to get, say, 10, 20, 30% in a good year, but usually right around 10%. So effectively, we'd have to wait an entire year to get between.
Yo, Xylon, I'm trying to get rich, bro.
If you're dealing with a lot of money, but if you're trying to scale a small amount,
man, I don't know. I feel nerdy
for having a tremendous amount of capital. Otherwise, you have to find other opportunities in the market. Now, what happens if we zoom into just this one small area, where now instead of looking at an entire year's worth of movement, we're now looking at individual days worth of movement. So we'll take today, for example. Now, even in a single day, we had this amount of movement to the upside and this amount of movement on the downside. So instead of waiting an entire year, we were able to enter here and sell somewhere up here, and now still risking $100. Just with this single move, we would make $341. This would happen in a matter of...
That's in 1 day, by the way.
Multiple of these opportunities in a single day, which allows us to go from making, say, $30 in a year to be able to take that same amount of risk, be able to make $600, $700, $800 in a single day, risking $100. Okay, but as the numbers get smaller, we're dealing on a zoomed-in 1 day view. The math and the...
Bro, people make $100K a month off doing this shit, too.
It's more important to know how to do this to properly calculate your risk. Not only that, but we need to know where we're buying and selling and the likelihood of
it
that
takes
happening.
really
So
long
as an
time,
example,
though, so.
If you're new, you're especially not going to understand exactly how this works. But this is a trade that took about 2 hours, where I was basically able to pick an area where I expected for the price to significantly drop, enter in, actually be able to make profit from the market going down, which even a lot of people don't understand that you can do, especially good when markets are moving down to know how to do this skill. And you can see I followed this down for hours, going up $2,400, $2,600, $3,000, nearly $4,000 before taking the trade off for full profit. And that was only risking $500 that I was able to make over $3,000 in about 2 hours. Okay, this isn't to brag. It's just
3,000 in 2 hours, bruh.
Framework on a daily basis. These are the opportunities that if you lock in and take it seriously, that are going to be on the table for yourself. But before that, let's talk about all the tools and websites you're going to need to set this up for yourself and start as a beginner. Okay, so realistically, you're going to need 3 major things. First thing is going to be TradingView.
Alright, hold up. Hold up, chat. I gotta lock the in, bro. So it said I need 3 things, so I'm gonna get 3 fucking bullet points.
where we're going
Confusing.
to be doing all of our.
You gonna see, bro.
That's gonna be your home base.
I need to buy a course though.
Is some sort of way to actually place trades. Now you're gonna need some experience before actually doing this. Okay, but considering I trade cryptocurrency, I like to use Blowfin or Bybit. I'll show you how specifically to use those a little bit later into the video. Okay, and if you're looking to trade stocks, a lot of our traders are using topstep.com. The third thing you
Okay, wait. What the fuck was it called? Hold up. Okay, wait.
What you need is a trade
Shit.
tops.
Hey, thanks for the people watching. Nah, 3,002 hours. That's when I'm trying to start this shit, bro. I can't fuck with no broke motherfucking girls,
You're
bro.
gonna have a screen that looks something like this. What you're gonna want to do is click on products here and click on super chart. That's going to bring you to a plain chart like this. Now when it comes to style and really setting this fully up, I have an amazing video.
Wait. Cause I'm about to start this tomorrow. I'm gonna stay up watching hella fucking shit on this, bro. Like,
at the end of this video, so you can watch that after and get fully set up. And what I like to do when I'm trading is take my trading view, put it on one side of my screen. I'll take my trading platform where I can.
oh wait. Fuck, I gotta rewrite this fucking shit, bro. Yo, I'd do anything to have better fucking handwriting. Sometimes it drops, sometimes it goes up. You gotta have skill. Alright.
Put my orders and I'll put it on the other side. So now I want to share with you some fundamental trading information so you fully understand the approach you take with trading. So anytime you're placing a trade, you're basically selecting what's called a pair. Now a pair is going to be any sort of asset that you're either buying or selling against the value of the US dollar. Okay, so this is Solana versus the US dollar, which the US dollar is going to maintain a pretty consistent value and Solana will either go up or down against that value.
Chat, I'm telling you, I'm about to lock in, bro.
Which is going to create price movement. The way we manage our pairs is using.
I'm making a clothing brand at the same time too.
Over here on trading. Okay, so for example, if you're creating a new watch list, we can click this plus button here, and if we want to go to.
Wait. No, what the? I thought that was my IP. Okay. Screen? How do I? What did I do? I don't want to download an update. Okay, wait, let me reopen Opera. Fucking hell. Oh my god. We're good. Damn, this shit about to piss me off. Now I gotta restart the whole fucking video.
Solana versus the US dollar, which US dollar is going to maintain a pretty consistent value, and Solana will either go up or down against that value, which is going to create price movement. The way we manage our pairs is using something.
What up, bro?
called watch list, which is over here on TradingView. Okay, so for example, if you're creating a new watch list, we can click this plus button here, and if we want...
Fuck, hold up. God, bro, my handwriting sucks.
To go to cryptocurrencies, we can click on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, XRP, Sol. You can start selecting different cryptocurrency pairs you have in a list here, which will allow us to flip between and to have access to viewing how these individual charts are moving. So when I'm looking at a chart here, you'll see we started off with a line chart. So it's basically a line showing how the price is moving, and then
yo, bro,
switch between something called candles. So candles are a better way of getting information as a day trader. Okay, so the way candles work, okay, considering this is a green candle, that means that price started here, went as high as this point, as low as this point, and ended up closing right here, and that's why our candle is green. That's the body of the candle. So we have the total movement up and the highs and lows. Same is true for a red candle, only the open happened here. The close was lower than the open, and the highs...
Oh yeah, y'all fuck with the hoodie, bro? I got a Corvette hoodie on right now, bro.
The lows...
It's a C4.
In the same, giving us a red bond. If we go back over to our chart here, right, I have black and white, so it's a little bit different. Still looking at a similar example. Here, we have the candle open, we had the candle close, the highs and the lows, and then say, for example, this candle opened here, closed here, and the high and lows were here. Okay, and these candles are going to show us different information depending on the chart frequency that we choose. So, for example, we have up in our top menu here, chart frequencies between anywhere from 15 seconds to 1 full week.
Bro, yo, I'm 17. I'm not no little bro. Come on, bro. I gotta be rich before 20, bro. Chat. I gotta lock the fuck in, bro. Come on. Alright, wait. Here, let me write down notes, bro.
Here, closed here, and a high.
Fuck, bro. Oh my gosh. I wrote an N, not an R.
And lows were here. Okay, and these...
Wait. Crazy shit. What did I say? Wait, what did I say? How? What? What? What did I even say? What? Like, hello? What did I say, bro? I don't know. Y'all just be thinking anything crazy, bro. Some bullshit. Time periods.
These candles are going to show us different information depending on...
Hold on. Fuck. No, bro. Erase it. Bro, it would really help if I had a motherfucking pencil! Why do we not have pencils, bro?
Chart frequency that we choose.
Fuck.
So for example, we have up in our top menu here, chart frequencies between anywhere from 15 seconds to 1 full week. So you'll notice I have two side-by-side charts of Ethereum. On this side, we have 5-minute Ethereum chart, and over here we have a 1-day Ethereum chart. This green box is the same green box on both sides, only this is one candle showing us the open price, the close price, and the highs and lows. And if we notice over here, this is the high, the low, and this was the total movement over the day.
We
but in
hype?
5-minute increments opposed to a 1-day
I don't like
increment.
that.
Different combinations that we
I don't
use,
like
but the
gaming,
low
yo.
and
I like in real life stuff now. I don't like sitting on my ass all day, bro. I want to move around and do shit. Like, I I don't think you understand. I don't want to be fat at 60. I don't want to be a fat motherfucker. I don't want to be lazy. I want to go around and do shit in my life. I don't want to just sit there, bro. Like these fucking losers. I don't know. I know I'm different, bro. I got what it takes to
go down into the time frame. Each candle is going to show you, in this case, 5 minutes.
It just doesn't happen. Like, I know it's going to be hard to, like, get, like, into this shit and, like, get, like, you know, like, it's going to be hard to do good at this, but it all takes time. You never just get good instantly, bro. It always takes time with fucking trading. It always takes time.
Worth of movement opposed to a whole entire day of movement. Okay, so now let's get into a section talking about trading psychology. This is the most important part of.
Okay, wait.
Will either make or break any progress that you make throughout this process. Okay, this is what will keep people caught in a cycle of never getting better, or will allow people to sort of skate through trading and get better really, really quickly. Okay, so I've identified 3 major things that you need to reach.
Am I even thinking? I just wrote 1-3, bro. Jesus fuck, bro. Not Jesus fuck. I meant fuck me. What am I even doing? I'm sorry, Jesus. I did not mean that. I love you. How did I write 1-3, dude? Gosh. You did it again. What? What did I do again?
Train your mind around, and I'm going to explain to you exactly how and why this works, so that once you get through this section of the video, you're going to have an aha moment, and it's going to clear you up to be able to proceed and learn and get started with trading the right way. So I've boiled it down to these 3 main points. Okay, the first thing that you need to retrain your mind out of is that losing is inherently bad. We're human beings, and anytime you lose at something, this is viewed as you're not sufficient, you're not doing a good job, or something needs to be changed.
Hey, when I lose, should I take like a quick break and then come back to it? Like, no shit, I cuss. I've been around it my whole life. What do you want me to do? Just not be myself? Okay.
To make you be able to perform better. This does not apply to trading, and you really...
A break. Oh, fuck, bro. My fucking handwriting. If yo, Lizard, what's good? Winning big? Guess what? I'm not gonna be one of them. I promise you. I'm going to church tomorrow too, bro. Come on now. Big W's.
You need to understand that, as weird as that concept sounds. And you're gonna understand why in a second. The next thing is being wrong is bad. This kind of...
Only real motherfuckers that are gonna make hella money in the future are in this stream right now. So we got 4 people.
Kind of ties into losing. Being wrong and losing money, we view as human beings. There needs to be a corrective action to fix that behavior. In trading, this is not the case at all. You actually need to completely flip this on its head. The third thing is the misconception that making money on a trade makes...
Hold up. Let me make sure I draw X's next to this. Okay.
Makes it a good trade. This is not the case whatsoever. So let's look at this example so you can understand why thinking losing is bad, being wrong is bad, and why making money, no matter how, is good. Okay, so think of it this way. Anytime we're buying into the market, one of two things is going to happen. It's either going to move up and we're going to make money, or it's going to move down and we're going to lose money. How we actually go about that as traders is what is going to dictate whether we're successful long term or not. So let's look at it this way. Anytime we're entering the market, we need to, number one, figure out how much we're trying to risk, whether it's a percentage or whether it's a dollar amount. Say we want to risk $100, for example. That means that if we enter right here, we need to make sure that if price moves down to this level, that we're only risking $100.
I'm gonna draw this. Trust? Okay, should I flip the page maybe? Nah, I could draw right here. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna flip the page just to be safe. Okay, I'm gonna go on the back of this page though. I'm just gonna go from like the back of the same page. Okay, so we got. All right, so just draw a box. Okay, wait. Fuck, that's kind of curved. Okay, we got the entry right here. Okay, yo, we gotta lock in, bro. I don't care how long this shit goes on for, we're doing this, bro. And meanwhile, if it starts to decline, we'll get the clothing brand back, cause we need to start working on that shit again. I don't think I've ever showed you guys what I've been working on yet. That's good though. I don't want to spoil it. I really think it's different from everybody else. Like, it's just some Christian clothing, just some, you know what I'm saying, bro? Some sick ass clothing you've never even seen. Like, it's so fucking different. You like literally you've never seen this type of clothing before. Literally. Okay, wait. Where's my Sharpie? Alright, here we go. Trace that. Fuck. What the hell did I just hear? Alright. Stop. Loss. Okay. We got the entry right here. I'm not showing any shirts or anything. Okay. So we got this. And then this drops down to $, risk. Guys, I have to write down every freaking thing so I don't have to watch a video again. Risk over. My first official full-time day is tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna see how much I can make. I'm not gonna do so many trades though. I'm not trying to lose fucking hella money. I'm probably gonna spend like 200 to 300 just for my first trade. I want to see how it goes. And I'm gonna try my best to. And I gotta remember, every single trade that I do does not mean it's good. It, you know, that just means I could have gotten lucky. You know, it doesn't mean that I automatically am successful. When I'm successful, that means every single time I trade, I get money. I'm trying to be extremely, like, organized. Confident. To risk. Okay. resell sneakers because I did that and I got caught. The dude realized I was selling fake J's. This was years ago. It's not worth reselling sneakers. I got caught. The dude was a sneakerhead. He knew they were fucking fake, so.
And in doing that, we can ensure that if this moves up 3x more, now we know exactly how much we're expected to win and how much we're expected to lose. So let's take that same exact example. We have our 1 unit of risk, which we know is $100, for 3x positive units of risk if we're right. So let's say, for example, whatever we're buying is valued at $153.52, and we want to risk exactly $100 on this trade. That would mean that we pull up our calculator. I'm going to show you a really cool, simple way.
Oh yeah, I almost got shot one time for stealing out of this dude's barn. I was stealing his fucking bikes, and I stole a drill and a shovel. This was like years ago, bro, and it was with my friend Aiden. I got caught and they called the police on us, but luckily they didn't even see our face, so like we chilling, bro. I never got caught. Well, I never got my face shown because we just ran away, but they called it. He was like, "Get the fuck out of my yard before I call the cops and shoot you," or whatever I don't remember. It was, you know, I don't do that shit anymore, bro, because it was,
to do this afterwards, but I want you to understand the math of how we're actually going to be calculating risk, right? If we want to position an entry in the market, we're going to take our entry value at 152, okay, and say our stop loss level, or this level where we're going to get out for a contained loss, is at 150.52. So we're going to subtract by the stop loss value, and that's going to give us 3. Now we're going to take the dollar amount that we want to risk and divide by 3, and that's going to give us 33.33 units to effectively buy in at, to ensure that if this moves against us, we're containing the risk to $100.
Yo, peace out, bros.
To expect if the trade moves in our direction. So anytime we're looking to enter into a trade, we're already positioning ourselves to accept the fact that we can be wrong and we can lose. And in order to actually get,
I mean, look at that penthouse, bro. Chat, just take a moment to appreciate this shit, bro. God, man, I want one someday, bro.
Market and open ourselves up for the potential of making money, we have to accept that we could potentially be wrong. In that sort of same mind process, a lot of people think they need to be right all the time to actually make money in trading, which is 100% not
fuck,
true.
bro,
Let's
this
take
chair.
this for an example. Say we take a total of 10 trades. We've contained our risk, but every time we're losing a trade, we're losing.
Alright. I'm gonna write this down too. This is the first video. We're gonna watch this today. Then we're gonna do some more videos tomorrow. We're gonna keep doing this for a whole week, 2, 3, I don't fucking care, a month, 2, however long it takes. Once I make my first $1,000, I think that's a start. I think that's a start. Alright, let's write this down real quick. Okay, so. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1 minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. And minus 1. Okay. Now sum. Okay. Fuck. Hold up.
-1.
Okay, now. Plus 2.5 Ow, bro, my ear. We gonna finish off this video, then we gonna continue tomorrow, bro. We gotta lock the bro, for real. We need to be rich, bro. Come on, man. We got this shit. Let's see. Some 10.8. Roblox? Nah, I'll still play sometimes. I just don't like the people on there, bro. I genuinely just think the people I met, the content creators, all that, they're just not good people. And I just don't think they're good for my mental. And it's really just a bunch of stupid kids on a fucking app that make no money. I mean, look at their faces when they see me in a fucking Pagani, dude. I mean, they're gonna be like, wow, I wish I was still friends with this dude. I don't know why I cut him off for no reason.
On the unit of risk. So
we got it though.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losses and 3 wins. So when we're making these,
alright, next page.
5.2
we got
times what we're risking, 2.5 what
yeah,
we're
Matt plays is racist.
1 what we're risking, which is going to give us a sum of 10.8, and on the loss side, it's going to give us a sum of negative.
And Cam's also said the hard R. He's black though, but he's also sent me naked butt pictures of some dude, and then JD Finn said the hard R. Yeah,
of the time,
bunch of fucking retards.
Of the time, which is going to give us a net total of plus 3.8 risk factors. So when
hold up.
A net total of plus 3.8. Risk factors. So once again, we're risking $100, which is going to leave us with a profit of $380. Being wrong 70%.
Oh, I did it again. Okay, wait.
This position sizing automatically
Can
on
I
chart.
just...
You can click into indicators and search up
okay, we're
IT
good.
position calculator. This is a calculator that we made on the private side of our trading team. I'm giving.
Okay.
If you want a really easy way to do this position sizing automatically,
Hold up.
$dollars, being wrong 70% of the time. If you want a really easy way to do this position sizing automatically on chart, you can click into
wait. Hold up.
Wrong 70% of the time. If you want a really easy way to do this position sizing.
Okay.
Automatically on chart. You can click into
Yo, what's up, bros? Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I barely ate anything today. I just ate 5 pieces of chicken, that's it. That's really it. No, I'm not lying. He literally sent me a gif of a fucking black dude sitting on a toilet shitting. No fucking bullshit. And he's also sent me a text of just the hard R. He's sent fucking Roblox, hentai shit. It's fucking weird. But, like, who am I to care? I mean, whatever.
You can search up IT position calculator.
IT. And then JD Finn also said the hard R. But he purged it in my fucking server like a loser. I guarantee you if I said the hard R right now, I'd get canceled. But since it's JD Finn and she's a female, no one cares. It's fucking dumb. Logic. Guys, I literally got sexually assaulted in fucking freshman year. I got my pants pulled down in fucking gym class. The dude, guess what? No charge, no jail, no anything. Guess what would have happened if it was a girl, if he was doing this to a girl? Can you guys answer what would have happened to him if he did this to a girl for me? Please, answer the question. Literally, genuinely, answer the question. What would have happened to him if he did this to a girl?
Here, this is a calculator that we made on the private side of our trading team. I'm giving it to you guys for absolutely free. You can click onto this, and then basically you can click right here at your entry where you want to take profit and where you want to set your risk to. And you can actually input your dollar amount risk. Say I want to risk $100. Hit
Fuck. Okay. It's gonna be a little bit bad handwriting, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna just buy a trading handbook. Like, hear me out though.
hit apply, and that's going to show you the exact quantity that you need to enter in at that exact amount to risk $100 if the price is to move against you. So if we go through our trading thinking that losing is bad and being wrong is bad, we're never going to put ourselves in market situations where we can actually allow ourselves to be right. The loss
Alright. See you, bros.
that you take are simply opportunity costs to be able to get into the market. Understanding that making money does not make a trade good or bad. It's about following the specific process that you know is going to be repeatable while keeping your risk contained. You just go.
We're gonna write this all down. Guys, I know it's a lot, and it looks like a lot. I don't fucking care. We're doing all of this. I'm gonna prove every hater wrong, bro. Come on, man. Alright. You know what? I think we need to turn these LEDs off. I can't see shit, bro. Not gonna lie. Like, we need to turn these off, bro. I can't see a thing, bro. Alright, we're good, chat. Alright, we got the light on now. You feel me? We're gonna try to do this, bro. Much better, much better. Net worth right now, probably like 25K. With the car, my Roblox items, my money, everything. I don't even think it's that much. I don't think that's that much. That's just not enough, bro. I need millions. Best gum flavor? Watermelon. I'm finna save this stream, bro. We keeping this on the channel forever. Motivation. Come on, yo, we gotta lock the chat. $5 like, nah, I need fucking 1 mil by 20, bro. I don't fucking care. Okay, if not that far, 500K. Alright, you got that finished?
Going into something, putting a bunch of money into it, you're not quantifying the risk, you don't know if it's going to work over time or not. By studying it, and you make a bunch of money, you're one decision away from losing every single thing. Even if on an individual trade you get lucky and end up making a bunch of money. It's about following the process, making sure that you understand that this is the mental psychology and trading math that's going to put you in a position to approach the markets properly. And understand that trading has nothing to do with being.
Oh yeah, bro. I'm always myself, bro. Like when I did that stupid fucking like family friendly shit though, that was not me, bro. I was trying so hard just to be, I don't know, I guess like try to fit in. I mean, that's just not me, bro. Fuck.
Being right or wrong, it has everything to do with
I say we write this down. Fuck it. You know what? We gonna be rich with this someday, bro. I say as soon as possible, but we need this big ass fucking sale. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're good. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Alright, we're good. Okay, so okay, fuck. R/R. Fuck, wait, hold up. I kind of fucked this up. Hold up, guys. 2 people watching, yeah, I know. I'm not really focusing on the viewers right now, y'all. I'm focusing on whoever wants to learn with me, bro, go ahead, man. I mean, if you want to be rich someday, bro, go ahead. Watch. I'm not stopping you. I'm not trying to get viewers right now, bro. I'm trying to be myself. But we gotta erase this table nice and clear, bro. Gotta get rid of all of the shit because I kind of messed up. Alright. R/R ratio. I'm trying to make it as neat as possible, bro. Okay. We got that. Alright. 1, 1. Let's fix this, fix this, fix this, and fix that. Alright. We got 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1, and 5 to 1. Alright. So we got. Alright, we'll start from the bottom. Profit. Okay. Chad, we gotta lock in, bro. We gotta lock in on this shit, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Alright, so. Fuck, wait, I didn't think this through. Alright, we'll just go from here. 20. 30. Okay. Percent. 40. And then we got 50. I'm gonna have to redo on this table, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This shit I don't know what I did. Shit. Damn, I kind of fucked up. Can't I just... I mean, I could just take a picture of it and print it, but like... Alright. Okay, I feel like if I just write... No, 60... Okay, I'll fix that. So we got okay, so that's profitable. Profit. How are you guys tonight, by the way, man? Alright, so that's a break even, so that'd be all profit. Okay, so this is not, then this is not. Okay, this is 30, so. Okay, then we got 3 knots. Then we got a break even. Alright, so we got alright, so we're done with this table, chat.
Understanding how much you're making
Let's go.
when you're right versus wrong, and the percentage of time that you are right, be able to determine whether you're going to be profitable or not profitable. This is all going to be based around keeping your risk uniform, knowing how much you make when you're right versus when you're wrong, having your average loss and your average win. And
Okay, wait. I don't have a haircut, chat. Revenue. Okay, wait, go back.
having your average loss and you're going to be profitable or not profitable. This is all going to be based around keeping your risk uniform, knowing how much you make when you're right versus when you're wrong, having your average.
Alright. Trying to lock in, chat. Fans are, I don't know, bro.
Average loss and your average win, and the percentage of the times those are happening, to once again be able to look at this table and figure out if you're not profitable or if you're profitable. Okay, so now that I've showed you the general structure, the framework of building positions, and understanding how and why we're going risk, let's go back to TradingView and understand how we're actually going to approach the market on a technical analysis standpoint. Now, this is where there's millions of things to focus on. I've boiled them down to about 5 or 6 major things that I look for to find key areas in the market. I'm basically going to give you a crash course on this. I have a really good technical analysis guide if you want to dive into more detail after this video, which I'm going to put in the card at the end so you can dive a little bit more into it.
You've been talking about the other video every single fucking 5 seconds. Just focus on this video, please.
Let's pull up a 5-minute chart so that each can...
Okay.
Is 5 minutes worth of price data. Let's start taking a look at how I would read this chart. Okay, so the first thing that I'm always starting with is identifying what are called trends on chart. And trends are basically areas in the market where price is generally moving in a specific direction. So if it's generally
Come on, bro. We gotta lock this in.
generally moving up, it's going to be an uptrend. If it's generally moving down, it's going to be a downtrend.
Bro, I'm tired, bro. Fuck, man. Damn, how do these people do this shit? Like, how do you learn this without just getting exhausted? We can't give up though, bro. We gotta push through it.
Okay, the way that I can really determine whether we're in an uptrend or a downtrend is by clicking on this tool right here and starting to...
Okay. So just this with this and this.
To find areas on the chart where price seems to be bouncing off of an invisible level. Once again, going back to that supply and demand area. So if I see these critical areas and I draw from that low to that low where the price is sort of responding off of, okay, anytime the price is maintaining above this specific area, that's maintaining the status of an uptrend. And you'll notice this point, price finally pushed below this trend, pushed up and continued to go lower, which is now making this as a downtrend. So we've been uptrend over here and a downtrend over here.
Fuck. Shit. Almost just. Ow! Oh no, we not in the stream, bro. We gotta lock the fuck in.
Draw another trend level off of there. Okay, and one thing that I really like to take note of is if we have an area where price is continually making these levels, breaks underneath it, and then comes up and retests it. Oftentimes, this is a beautiful key level to get big moves down once the trend does change direction. So trends are basically showing us areas where price is likely to come down to and have a continuation, and then once it does finally break, where it's likely to bounce off of and continue moving lower, which we can start to use to start to craft some of these positions where we're entering in expecting for price to move significantly in one area and not come through to the other. Okay, considering this is a visual representation of mass human psychology, there's another tool that is really, really useful in trading called a Fibonacci retracement. This is one of my... might go to indicators. So this is how a Fibonacci works. Say you have a chart moving up or you have a trend in a certain direction. You can click on this Fibonacci retracement. Click at the B.
Okay, wait. We gotta draw a symbol. Okay. We better lock in. Let's go, bro.
Beginning of a trend and go all the way up to the highest point on the trend. What you're going to see are these numerical values. Okay, starting from 1 to 0, we have 78.6, 61.8, which is in green, 50, 38.2, and 23.6. And what you'll notice is oftentimes if a trend is going to have a pull down, this 50 level is often the level it will go to and have a continuation higher. Same thing.
Okay, wait. We gotta write that down. That's really important. I'm gonna try college, chat. I'm trying college, actually. Fun fact. I don't know if I'm gonna be the best at it, but...
3.6. And what you'll notice is oftentimes, if a trend is going to have a pull down, this...
Wait. We need to... Okay. Fuck, bro. I need this, like, paper to... Oh, yeah.
This 50 level is often the level it will go to and have a continuation.
Yeah, my brother dropped out of college, though. I don't know why. I mean, this was like a... You gotta keep pushing through it, bro. Okay.
Higher. Same thing with this 60.
Talking about...
1.8. This is referred to as the golden ratio.
Okay, wait.
Ratio. This is the ratio that can be found naturally occurring in the formation of shells, plants, trees, even your facial symmetry, all for some reason fall around this specific Fibonacci value, which oftentimes will lead the price to revert cleanly down to that level and have a continuation move up, which one?
This
again can allow us to start to structure positions around these key levels. Okay, so if we go back to our chart, we know we have an uptrend and a downtrend. So say, for example, we wanted to look at this trend.
We're almost done with the vid.
Levels, we click at the high and then go over to the low. And then let's watch what happens.
Because a lot of my fans are fake. I mean, you know, they don't really care about me. They just care about the game. Like, I guarantee you right now, if I was playing Roblox, they'd watch, but just, you know, I feel like no one likes the personality. I feel like they just like me playing the game. It is what it is, bro. I know, like, there's proof earlier, bro. Some girl literally complimented me at the gas station that there's still nice people, bro.
To price and where it starts to respond. Okay?
Fuck. Why do I have a fucking system update on my phone? Finding... Come on, guys. We gotta lock in, bro. As soon as I finish this video, we gonna go to sleep,
These
though.
formations is something called a fair value gap. And you can see these all over the chart. So it's basically these big candles that are making these big pushes like here and like here, or like here and like here. And I can actually turn an indicator on called the Lux Algo Fair Value Gap. And indicator, and that's going to pull them up on my chart automatically. But the reason that I look for them is because you can see oftentimes price will end up coming back into these and making big moves back in. Fair value gap right in here, price moves up, has a response off of it. Fair value gap produced here, price pulls back down, even though it wicked through this one like crazy, comes back down to the middle of that, has a continuation up. Okay, this one's not showing, but here,
holy shit, I wrote so much.
Okay, the way that we can identify these on the chart is basically we need 1, 2, 3 candles, either in the up direction or the down direction, where
Show me the paper. I will at the end.
the midpoint has a continuation up. Okay, and the way that we can identify these on a chart is based. Basically, we need 1, 2, 3 candles, either in the up direction or the down direction, where the first wick and the third wick do not overlap on the second candle. So you'll see this is the high of the first candle, this is the low of the third candle. In between here is going to be a bullish fair value gap. Right here we have 1, 2, 3 candles, first wick, third wick, price doesn't overlap right here, creating a bearish or a fair value gap that is likely
Dude, can
to
I
continue.
stop getting
It's
calls?
things like these that I'm using when I'm doing analysis to be able to find key areas that even though we don't know for sure it's going to move in our direction, that we're able to at least start off in an area where we can keep our risk contained, let the market move in our direction, and hopefully make more money than we're risking. Okay, and of course this is just scratching the surface. I talk about all this on my channel a lot more. As far as the foundation, these are the primary things that I'm using. Like I said, you can watch the technical analysis video at the end of this video.
Dude, if you mention the other video one more time, it's already been 2 times you talked about this dumb shit. Okay, bro, I just want to watch this video for tonight, please. Stop talking about the other video.
How I use these things specifically. Okay, so now that we understand some of the analysis and tools that go into actually trading, let's talk about how to actually put this into a strategy.
Wait, okay, wait. Yo, welcome to the stream, bro. I never said it was Roblox. It says get trolled. Oh my fucking gosh. Can you not read? Yo, like, people are Stop spam calling me. I am about to fucking block this fucker, bro. Do it one more time and you're getting fucking blocked. Alright, bro. Alright, yo. I'm about to block this motherfucker, bro. You're a mean YouTuber. Bro, it says in the title. It says in the title, get trolled. How am I mean? Bro, you're saying you're accusing me of lying. It literally says the lie in the title. It says, get trolled. I'm not actually playing Roblox. The reason why people even like me on this stupid YouTube shit is for Roblox. No one likes me for me, bro. People just like watching me for fucking Roblox. It's a piece of shit.
Trading for yourself. So this is the progression that we're using anytime we're building a trading strategy. The first thing is the concept.
Alright, we gonna draw this. No! Slow down. Okay. I do. I wouldn't either. Well, fuck you, piece of shit. I mean, I don't give a fuck, bro. Fuck out of my stream, bro. Come on, man. Don't be an asshole, bro. I mean, if you don't like it, bro. This person keeps... I'm not rude to my fans, dude. You just came in my live and saying I'm lying. Like, do we just not understand what we're even saying nowadays? Like, I don't even understand. And if like this, I'm not mean, bro. Yeah, time this dumbass little kid out, bro. I swear, people. Alright, bro, I'm blocking this kid. I'm blocking this kid, deadass. I'm just gonna ignore his fucking calls. Holy shit. Can you not see me trying to do something with my life, bro? Stop trolling. Trying to make something out of my fucking life, bro. I mean, this could be one way to spend my time when literally no one is at my house. I have nobody ever at my house. It's just me. Just me. That's why I do this shit. Canceled? Well, fuck you, bitch. I don't fucking care. I mean, bro, if you want to come in my live and just say stupid random shit like how I'm lying, then, like, well, what do you expect? I mean, you're randomly starting beef. Like, what could you possibly expect randomly accusing someone of lying when it says it in the title? How is it clickbaiting? It literally says it's a lie in the title. God, motherfuckers are so dumb. Holy shit, how is this motherfucker a real species? You started motherfucker, you said I lied in this. Yo, motherfuckers are dumb as shit. I cannot, bro. God damn. People are dumb as hell. I can't, bro. Motherfucker said I started the beef. Shut your lame ass up. 10-year-old smarter than you? I'm 8? Yeah, I'm 17, dumb fuck. You have a Mr. Beast logo. You're never becoming Mr. Beast. This live you're watching right now is trying to learn how to get rich like fucking Mr. Beast. And you're out here just randomly starting dumb shit. I mean, like, at least I got some entertainment, I guess, out of this fucking live. Like, he just keeps fucking calling me. He's stupid. God. Dude, this guy just keeps spam calling me. Like, I'm blocking him. I'm seriously blocking him. Hold up, guys. He's fucking calling. He's been calling me 30 times, dude. Please just let me try to lock in. School of Mr. Beast? Bro, shut the fuck up. God, fucking loser. Stop with the lying shit. With that mindset, you're never gonna be successful, dude. I mean, like, I ain't even trying to hate on motherfuckers, bro, but you just straight up lying like no one fucking cares. Oh, oh, but I have proof that I gave him a hand job. I don't fucking care. You can keep talking, bro. I mean, just... Like, it just doesn't even make sense. Alright.
Chart that certain things were happening based on certain pieces of analysis. What we want to do is
I
gather
keep getting
a bunch
cold.
of those ideas
It just
and
keeps
observe
going.
a general tendency in the market. Okay, the next thing that you want to do is create a rule set based on your observations. And then the next thing that you want to do is evaluate that outcome by identifying the percent of the time that it happens, the average amount that you make versus how much you lose, while considering the specific loss size. Okay, and then basically it's up to us to be able to see whether it's going to be profitable or not. Okay, so let's just use a really simple example of how you can actually go through and test your strategy. Once you have an idea...
Bro, this isn't even math. It's stocks. Why do stupid fucking kids have to be in my lives? Like, when I do an adult live, of course, it just has to be a 10-year-old, bro. Like, shit just makes no fucking sense. Hey, I mean, I guess Christoph would like you a lot. I mean, hey, let's send you over to Christoph, little bro. Alright, nah, I'm joking, chat. Christoph is fucking weird. Yo, Toasty, what's good? Alright, chat.
This button on your chart, which is called bar replay, you can click back to a random part on your chart and then click this play button, and it's actually going to play the chart forward, allowing you to see how your idea would work in real time. So what I'm noticing on this chart is every time we have this indicator...
Bro, motherfucker, get your bitch ass out my life talking about I am smarter guy. Shut the fuck up with that dumb ass shit, bro. Motherfucker just lies saying that he went to school with Mr. fucking... God, bro. I can't with this shit, bro. Just get out my live, bro. Please just get out my fucking live, bro. You don't even know what this stream about, bro. Get out of my live, bro. Please. Goofy as hell. Like, what the fuck are you even talking about, dog? Like, do you even know what you're saying, bro? Mr. Beast wasn't even alive. Oh, hell, bro. Wait, fuck. I'm not clickbaiting fans for money. It's not clickbait. Look at the title, dipshit. It says get trolled. God. Fucking dumbass, bro. Shit, I'm about to crash out on this stupid ass little kid, bro. I can't, yo. I hate kids, bro, I swear. Other than my baby brother, I hate fucking kids. It's still not clickbait, dumb fuck. It says get trolled. Is there a Roblox thumbnail? No. Dumbass. I hope you get socked by your fucking grandmother. Fuck you. Lame ass motherfucker.
Is a custom indicator called the Innovatrade Pro Plus indicator. It's actually in a tool suite. If you follow me on Instagram in the description, you can add it to your chart. Basically shows you when the markets are perceived to be undervalued or overvalued, and when they're undervalued, it will give you this red highlight strip here. So let's say, for example, every time a red strip is produced, I'm going to...
This is probably so easy to do. Who's gonna tell him, bro? Who's gonna tell, bro? Who's gonna tell, bro? Who's gonna tell this motherfucker, yo? He's gonna lose thousands of dollars.
Enter in. I'm going to sell when it produces a green strip, and I'm going to put my risk underneath that recent low. And I'm going to risk $100.
Shit, I thought the live just changed. This motherfucker still rage baiting in the chat. Bro, shut your lame ass up, bro. You not know Mr. Beast. Shut, bro, get out of my life. Go. Go out of my life. Go. Get out the live. Get out the fucking live. Please. Shit, your rage bait is kind of working. It's pissing me off. It's getting me distracted.
-1R, and a win is however much more.
Okay.
Or I'm making than I'm risking. So in this case, it would be like 3.
I'm not. You're not rage fishing. Motherfucker, bro.
3.94. So then I can just go ahead and play my chart forward and set this strategy up to work. Okay, so we have a highlight strip here, setting up my position. Okay, so we have a sell right here. So we would sell our position. We would make plus 6.2R. We would sell in here. Okay, we have a red highlight strip, so we sell. That's plus 3 risk factors. Okay, so we would buy in here. Price comes down, goes through our stop loss. So that's -1R. Okay, so you could basically do this over a large period of time. Now all you have to do is add up the total amount of trades. You could basically go into a trade tracker. This is a trade tracker that are in the tools.
Oh my god, please get out of my dude. 5th grade. Guy 16. Guy 16. I can tell you're in the 5th grade. You're fucking dumb. I can tell you're failing school.
But I'll send you if you follow me on Instagram.
Yo, why am I beefing with a little ass kid? I kind of feel bad, but I don't. I don't fucking care.
So you can click each trade, say it's on Sol, 15 minutes. You put long or short. You put whether it's a win or a loss. In this case, we had 2 wins and 1 loss. P&L on the first.
Bro, get out of my motherfucking life. Parents, I live with my mom, dipshit. I don't live with 2 parents.
First was 620.
I have a car.
300, and then we had a $100 loss. So that's going to show us our winning percentage.
Bro, I fucking love
we
bullying
can click
little
on this
kids,
sum
bro.
here, and we can go over and hit average, and that's going to show
For
us
the
our
milk. Motherfucker, how are you this unfunny in 2025? Like, this shit not even rage bait anymore. Roast it. Is this motherfucker physically and mentally in 2021? Did we leave this dude's brain in 2021? This motherfucker just said roasted. I wish I could smack the shit out of you right now for saying that corny ass shit, bro. I'm trying to lock in on making bread and you just talking about some roasted going for the milk. God, get your retarded ass back to you.
Average profit per trade, as well as our average winning percentage, which we can take into our system, which based on our average 273 would put us somewhere between these 2 amounts at a 6.
I was born in 2015, little bro. Bro, I hope you get beat with a spoon, bro. Oh, this motherfucker, bro. You just called me a little bro with 2015 in the same sentence, dude. Pause the video. Bro, get out my life, bro. You're dumb. Please. You're just embarrassing yourself, bro. No, it's not because you're white. It's because you're just dumb. Get out of my life. I don't care about your color or race. No. Stop. Stop with the cringy shit you're saying, dude. Let me lock in.
56% win rate would put us well into the profitable zone. Now, obviously, this is only 3 trades, so you'd want to do this over an extended amount of time. But once you have that, you've effectively found a concept, identified rule.
What are you talking about, bro? William, just get out of my life, bro. Give your dad his phone back. Like, the rage bait, if this is rage bait, it's genuinely working because you're just stupid as fuck. Like, please, just, how are these species? How are these human species on Earth? How is this person in the same world as me? I genuinely refuse to believe this motherfucker is the same species as me. I'm teaching lesson guy. Like, was I this dumb in 5th grade? Like, I knew how to spell. I knew how to speak. What do they be teaching y'all nowadays? Like, just fucking alphabet? Like, Are you smart? Like, what are you getting taught? How are you this dumb? I don't know. In 5th grade, I was getting good grades. I don't know how the fuck you're this stupid in 5th grade. I mean, I genuinely think you need to pay attention more to school. Because your typing fucking sucks. Please. Like, it's pissing me off on how dumb you are in 5th grade. How? How are you this stupid in fucking 5th grade? God. Holy. Like, I was way smarter in 3rd grade than you are in 5th grade. God. I actually can't believe that. I don't know what the fuck they be teaching y'all nowadays, man, but you stupid as hell.
To be profitable, this is where you can actually
stop cussing, guy.
Fuck.
Talked
about doing on-chart bar replay. The next would be using a...
Let me lock in real quick. Chat. Stop cussing, guy. Like, guy. Hey, no. We don't need this because we got money. We got money already. We don't need to write this down, bro. I'm not planning on going broke.
Simulate.
He has broke time to... Are you on Earth? Dude, you are fucking dumb. God, how the fuck? Bro, like... I genuinely am so blessed that I listened in school. I could not imagine being this fucking dumb. Yeah, I realize you're from Arizona. Gosh. Like, what does that even mean? What are you even saying? Hey, dipshit, your mom wants her iPad back. Give it fucking back, please. Go watch goddamn Skibbity Toilet. Go watch fucking Roblox or Minecraft Jenny mod. Go watch some stupid shit. Not me, please. Please get out of the fucking live, dude.
Apply this onto a real account. Okay, so let's say, for example, you wanted to actually enter into this trade position. Since we're trading cryptocurrency, I'm going to go onto an exchange like Blowfin. I'm going to pull up Solana. And you'll see over here, we have limit and market. If you want...
Okay. Trying to lock in and this motherfucker talking about you are a little bro guy. Like, take 3 steps out the door, get the fuck out, and I'm closing that shit right on your face. Get the fuck, get out the live, dude. Holy fuck.
Click on limit if you just want to get
like, why it's this dude? You know what this dude sounds like? Tucker. Y'all remember Tucker? Same exact fucking dog shit grammar. I feel like this is Tucker, bro. This has to be Tucker. There's no way. I mean, this dude talks exactly like him, and he's the same fucking IQ. Like, I got the cops called on me for streaming on YouTube, talking shit about this guy's online girlfriend. Same dude, I swear. Guys, if y'all don't remember Tucker, then I don't know what to tell you, bro. Tucker was an old mod, and his dad called the cops on me because I talked shit about his online Roblox girlfriend. That they made love notes and shit in my YouTube chat, in my YouTube live chat, and on my videos. Like hundreds of messages I'm talking.
You're gonna click on markets.
I'm not clicking.
We're gonna stick with limits for now. Okay, if I went into every single detail.
I mean, okay. I'm gonna give you some tips right now. Like, genuinely, I want you to listen. If you're not doing good in 5th grade, you need to lock in. You're pissing me off just based off how dumb you are right now. Like, I'm telling you, like, 100%, like, seriously right now. Do not even say anything back. Please focus on your school, bro. Otherwise, you're gonna end up as a teacher, dude. Yourself.
Video would be like 8 hours.
If you want to be Mr. Beast, Ford truck. I will gap the fuck out of your dad, bro. I have all E's. Guys, he has all E's, guys.
Hours long. Okay, since this is where the price is, first thing that we need to do is figure out how much we need to enter in to risk, say, for example, $100. So we're going to click on our entry, take profit, stop loss, enter $100. That's going to give us 56 as a quantity. And this is where leverage or using prop firms is going to be important, because that would mean that effectively we would have to buy at 121.73 times 56.18 SOL, which is going.
Bro, what is this guy talking about in my chat? Get the fuck out the spot right now, dude. How is this dude a fucking human, bro? Fucking stuck in 2020, like, talking about dumbass motherfucking stupid ass little kid. I hope you fucking stay as a teacher. I hope you just not make it far in life. I'm sorry. You just piss me off.
Going to cost us $6,800. Unless you have $6,800 in an account, you're not going to be able to take this kind of.
Like, what the fuck is this stupid ass kid even talking about? Like, I genuinely wish I could just drop kick you. I'm trying to lock in on this business shit, and you're just talking about some Among Us fucking McDonald's Wi-Fi. Dude, get out the spot. If you were in the spot right now and you were chilling with me, I'd kick your ass. Please get out the live. They work at McDonald's. Got a job. Oh my gosh. I think this is rage bait at this point. Wait, I want to go to his channel real quick. Okay, he made his account 4 hours ago. Larry Bird 67 Blood. No, this guy it's rage bait. 4 hours ago. No, it's rage bait, guys. It's fucking rage bait. There's no way. He made his account 4 fucking hours ago. He made his account 4 hours ago. There's no way it's rage bait. Or there's no way it's not rage bait. It has to be, chat, right? I mean, this motherfucker. Dude, he made his account 4 hours ago when it's Larry Bird. Wait, what was it again? Larry Bird 67 Blood. Wait! Spoy, it's you! Spoy! I remember that one time we made our Dungeon Quest characters? That's you. I know it's you. There's no way it's not fucking you right now, bro. I know this is Spoy, bro. There's no way this isn't Spoy. There's no way this isn't fucking Spoy, bro. This has to be Spoy. Has to be Spoy. It is Spoy. I remember saying that name exactly. Guys, we have 4 minutes left on the video.
Size. That's exactly why we're going to use something called leverage. Which, for example,
rage fishing. Shut the fuck up.
If we use 10x leverage, would take 6,800 and only require us to use $683. Okay.
Can't cook.
So we would
Shut the fuck up. Yo, no, I'm not ignoring you, bro. I can see your messages. I'm trying to figure out where this guy went wrong. How are you in 5th grade and you just can't even speak proper English? You're gonna stream Roblox? I don't even know. I don't like fucking gaming anymore in general.
You're in 121.74 as our entry. We would go into our amount. We'd have 56.18. I would check this take profit and stop loss. Our take profit's at 130.76, which gives us our estimated profit level, and our stop loss at 120.8, which you can see is going to give us exactly $100 worth of risk by entering specifically at this amount. So we know if we lose, we're losing 100, and if we're profitable, we're making $460 on this strategy. Now you can see right here it says the cost, which is 6,800. If we increase the leverage up to, say for example, 10, now once again that cost comes down to 688. And that's how you can start with a smaller amount of money and still be able to have the upside if you know your strategy and your process works and you're looking at it inside this framework. Okay, so now that we're at this point, we've developed all.
Jinxie is not you. Gosh, bro, this motherfucker pissing me off, bro. I'm about to end this live as soon as possible, bro. This dude talking about some dumbass shit, bro.
All these skills and understanding of trading. I'm going to take you through a strategy that I like to trade on the channel, that we trade a ton on the private side of our trading team. We have team members.
Bro, what are you talking about right now? Do you want to call me broke? Really? Do you want a money spread? I'm serious.
Absolutely crushing it. Me personally, when I'm trading these sessions, a lot of times, my last session even, I made $7,500 in about 4 or 5 trades, risking $500. I'm going to show you what I look for on a setup and how I apply all of this logic to get into positions and how effective it is.
I have $80. Hold up, bro. Goddamn. Hey. Motherfucker. Let me get the stash. Hold up. Where am I? With my Louis Vuitton belt? Bro, I'm about to pull my flex on this motherfucker, bro. Don't play with me, bro. AirPods, TV belt. 1K. Fuck you talking about? Get on my lap. Come on, big bro. Come on, bro. Fake money? Real dollars, stupid fuck. I'm getting spam calls again. We love this. Let's go. Fake? It's not fake. Here, do you want to see dumb? Oh my gosh, bro. This guy's... He has to be rage baiting. There's no way it's not rage baiting. I don't know what this motherfucker is talking about with the little bro guy. It's pissing me off. Stop. It's not fucking prop money. I don't know where you see it says prop money, dude. Look, you can inspect it. It does not say prop money anywhere, bro. Like, it's not prop money, big dog. I'm not gonna lie, there's like 1.5 in here. Or, yeah, 1.5. Or no, wait. Okay, yeah, there's 1.5. Yeah, since you're so rich, donate 100, bro. I'll refund it. I got you. I'll refund it, bro. I'll refund the 100, bro. Donate me 100. I'll refund it. Look. Bro, I'm gonna refund the $100 you donate me, right, guys? I'm too rich. I don't know if this shit rage bait or, like, this motherfucker just genuinely stupid, chat. Like, that's the best thing, bro. I genuinely just think this dude is stupid as shit. Like, I seriously just think, yo, Ark was good. Stop spam calling me, by the way. I'm trying to learn stocks.
It is, and I'm going to show you a few entry models that I like to follow. Okay, first thing that I'm going to turn on is this buy and sell indicator. The second thing that I'm going to turn on are those fair value gap indicators. So in this...
Bro, what do you mean this is fake bands, bro? Bro, this shit is not fake bread, bro. Like, what are you talking about? It's fake money. Look, Landvins, Jordans. What are you, like, Jesus? Or, no, not Jesus, not God. We love him, but I'm not gonna swear on him. Mommy's credit cards. I've actually never even touched my mom's credit card, ever. Like, I've never put my hands on her credit card. I've used it in the past for, like, Xbox and shit. Like, with her permission. Like, years ago. Like, 5 years ago. But, like, this motherfucker has to be dumb as shit, though. Like, this motherfucker just said this shit's prop money, bro. This ain't even that much. This only 1K, bro. Yo, W member. I just nutted. Let's go. Alright, guys, we're gonna finish the stocks video. W member chat. Yo, Art, thanks for the dono, bro.
Strategy. I can't share every single thing that I'm looking at without being unfair to the private side of the team, but I will show you something you can get started with.
Let me show y'all this quick tip. Look, if you guys want to make an air freshener, look. Go here. Look. Ready? Y'all see this fan? Look. Just spray some like deodorant into. Fuck. Hold up. Spray deodorant into it for like 30 seconds. Off. Okay, maybe like not that long, but like there. Now much kind of clean, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, hold up. Alright, camera should be good. No, I'm day trading. I already made 200 off this before. Fuck, that's cold. My titties, my titties! Alright. Holy shit. I'm skinny, bro. This motherfucker cannot be real. This better be some rage bait. Like, I don't believe that this dude is real. This has to be a dream, dude. I just can't believe someone this stupid. Your death cause this fun.
A lot of your own logic too, they will still get you in a position to be able to make this a profitable operation. This is crazy for me to be sharing on YouTube. What I'm looking for is some sort of sell signal, right? I can't tell you exactly what the signal is. Some sort of indication of an over or undervalued area, somewhere we have a trend break under here into one of those fair value gaps, in which case I'm looking to...
Actually, fun fact, I am day trading. You want to see how much I've written? Look, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. I'm locked. Don't play with me. Come on, bro. I'm locked. Teeth. Okay, I don't have a gap. I've never needed braces, bro. Bro, this single fucking AirPod box, just the box is worth more than your bank account. You said you have $80?
Enter in the midpoint of this fair value gap, place my stop loss outside, and try to ride the trend down. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead forward and play this to show you what I'm looking for. Okay, so we have...
Ark, stop calling me! I just told you, no calling. He's fake. I mean, he's just fucking dumb. I seriously am praying that he gets better at school. I was not this stupid in 5th grade, so seeing someone this fucking dumb in 5th grade is kind of sad. You know what I'm saying? Chat, this right here, this gonna turn into 50 times, 100 times, 150 times, 200, 300, 400, 500, 1,000, 10,000. I'm trying to get 1,000,000. Come on, bro. But that's only 1K. So we gotta get that 100K first. We gotta get to that 100K goal first. I think my first goal is gonna be 1K. If I can make, okay, you know what? I'll see if I can make 100. Then we'll go up to 1K. Because if I can't even make 100, then what? Yo, get the flying fuck out of my damn chat, bro. You're pissing me off with this stupid bullshit, dude. Stop spewing out random stupid shit, man. Shit. Yeah, this shit is rage bait. There's no way this stupid fuck is real. Gosh. If this shit is real, dude, I genuinely hope you get dealt to ass tonight. Cause holy shit. Fuck did I do?
overvalued but no signal. Okay, so right here I start to have lows forming. We have an overvalued area right here with price starting to push down. So once again, if I'm targeting the halfway point of this area with an oversell and a trend break, price is starting to come underneath, price comes up, goes into our area, gets into the trade, and then immediately reverses down, already putting us up in this situation something like 12 times the amount that we're risking. Once again, if we were risking $100, our profit would be at $1,200. So even with one of these situations, we could still be wrong 10 other times. We can still be profitable for the session. Okay, and of course, every trade doesn't look like this. There are definitely losers. This is just scratching the surface of all of the data sets that we run on the private side of our trading team. But if we just want to focus on the basics of it, it's things like these where we can follow these types of models and actually apply them into the market. Okay, so let's take a look at another example of a trade that I entered. You can see I'm entering in.
Dude, I've been writing this shit for an hour straight. I've literally been grinding, losing sleep doing this shit. I swear, this better pay off, bro. I know this shit will pay off. It's either this or the clothing brand. And not that, I'll make my own business. I got it, bro.
Move in my direction once again off of that
I don't
area,
give no fuck. I will do anything for that million, bro.
Once again,
okay, 4, except for be gay as shit.
$6,000 in profit, risking $500. Then I eventually close this out for about $4,600.
Chromosayans. So, do we have chromosayans now? Are they not chromosomes anymore? Oh, do we have a new update? I mean, I didn't see that update yet. Maybe it's the dumb fuck one. I don't want that one.
Looking to buy in, hoping the market moves up. I enter in here, and just to show you the realities and be transparent.
Stop!
A lot of times,
stop rage baiting! You're actually fucking pissing me off with this dumb bullshit that you're saying, bro. Genuinely, Spoit, get the fuck out the spot. Get out the spot now. I know it's you. The only person that has heard me say 6'7" Larry fucking Bird Blood or whatever the fuck is you. Get out of the spot. I know it's you. This shit was made 4 hours ago. I know it's you. Stop bullshitting. It's you. Just admit to it that it is you. It's someone that's already watched my damn streams. I know it's you, dude. Spoit, quit the BS.
You are going to have losing trades too. So for example, okay, this trade closed out and I lost within minutes. But the fact that I can make $4,000 or $5,000 in a good trade and only lose $500-600 on the losing trades, as long as I'm following the strategy, keeping my position size consistent, this gives me the framework to actually dive into trading and do it properly. Okay, and those are just 2 trading models. We have tons of ways of approaching the market in general. I would definitely recommend for you to watch this video if you want to dive deeper into the technical analysis. If this helped you, especially as a beginner, hit the like button, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel if you like the content. If you follow me on Instagram and DM me the word tools, I'll send you all the resources. But until next time, I will see you all in the next video.
WVid, bro. It actually helped my understanding a lot. Tomorrow I think we're gonna watch this one.
On August 20th.
We're gonna watch this one. I know it's a little bit outdated, but I feel like it. Like, I just gotta watch all this dude's episodes. I've heard that he's really helpful. It's Spoit. Spoit, I know it's you. Just fucking admit it. I'm not dumb. Like, I've had the thought that it was you the whole entire time. Just admit it. If you don't, then you like penis, okay? Just fucking admit that it is you. Or I'll flex a band on you real quick. Man, hold up. This fucking air is blowing it into my money. It's blowing my $20 bill away. Oh my. Maybe I should do it closer. Okay, there we go. Dude, this shit's still blowing my... It's not me. Yes, it is. Alright, let me put this back away in the stash. And chat, I think I'm gonna get some sleep, bro. That was a good ass day, learning stocks. Let me know if y'all want like a part 2 or some shit. I enjoyed today, bro. It helped me a lot. Boy, I know it's you. Get the fuck out the spot now. Go. Out the door. I'm serious, bro. You see this fucking door? See that fucking door? Wait. I don't think you can fucking see the door. You get the point, though. Here, let me turn on. Motherfucker. I'm about to show you where you gonna go. Alright? So, you look that way? Look. Get the fuck out the spot now. Go. Get that way. That way, motherfucker. Go. Get out the spot. Alright, anyways, let me know if y'all want like a part 2, part 3 on learning this shit. I had a lot of fun today. It was tiring though. I think the next time I do it, I'm gonna try to like do it earlier, cause at night, gosh, it's fucking draining. But peace out, y'all. Good night, man. I'm fucking exhausted. I'm gonna go to sleep right now. Peace. I need sleep. We'll try to do it another day though, chat. Tomorrow, remind me. Peace out, guys. See y'all.